Friends, do you want to start a good manufacturing business with a low investment and you want to start it from home? Then this video is for you. Today we are going to talk about the leather belt manufacturing business. Leather belts are the most used accessory among men and women. Whether it is a city or a village, everyone likes to wear belts to give themselves a good look. Therefore, these belts are always in demand in the market. In this situation, starting this leather belt manufacturing business is a profitable opportunity for you. Apart from that, you can easily start it from home with the help of some machines or hand tools. So in today's video, we will tell you how you can start a leather belt manufacturing business from home and become successful. Watch till the end of the video. But before that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share it with your friends. Come on, let's watch. Hi friends and welcome to New Business Ideas. Market demand and scope for leather belts. Nowadays, belts have become not just a fashion accessory, but a daily necessity. Moreover, Indian leather belts are in huge demand in various countries in the international markets. According to market research, the global leather belt market alone is expected to be worth $5 billion by 2024 and to grow to $8 billion by 2033. Not only that, but this leather belt industry alone is growing at a rate of more than 7% every year due to the easy availability of raw materials in India. Be it the local market, online platforms or branded showrooms, leather belts are in high demand everywhere. Apart from this, Indian leather products also have a high value in the international market, due to which there is a good opportunity for exports. That is why if you start this business now, you can make huge profits in the coming years. Required investment. If you want to start small from home, you don't need a huge investment. It will cost you 1 lakh to 4 lakh rupees to buy basic machinery, raw materials and tools. On the other hand, if you want to have a slightly bigger setup, this budget can go up to 5 or 10 lakh rupees or more. But friends, this investment amount is just an estimate. As the price of raw materials and machinery can change anytime, you need to start with proper planning. Machines and tools for business. To make leather belts, you will need some basic machines and tools. First, a leather cutting machine to cut the belt strips, and then a hole punching machine to make the right holes in the belt. Apart from this, you will also need a single needle flatbed industrial sewing machine, edge polishing machine, hook attachment tools, die sets and finishing tools. You can buy these tools from your nearest machine dealer, or you can also buy them through platforms like IndiaMart and Alibaba. If you want to save costs in the beginning, you can start with manual tools, and then as your production increases, you can invest in an automatic machine. Raw materials for business. The most important thing to make a leather belt is the quality of the leather. Depending on your target market, you can choose anything from genuine leather, synthetic leather or fall leather. Apart from this, you will also need belt buckles, rivets, dyes, adhesives, threads, polish and packaging materials. Therefore, find a reliable supplier who can supply you with the best leather at a good price. You can contact a local leather supplier or an online supplier. Business registration and license. If you are starting this business from home on a small scale, then there will be no need for much documentation. But as production increases, you should register your business under MSME Udyam registration. Apart from this, it is also necessary to get a GST number, trademark registration, and if you want to export, then IEC, that is Import Export Code. Because by getting registered properly, you will also get the benefit of government schemes, subsidy and loan facility. Manufacturing process of leather belt. Now it is time to make leather belts. First, create unique and attractive designs for your belts. You can start with classic designs and then gradually create new and trendy designs. Next, the manufacturing process is very simple. For this, first, the raw leather sheets are cut into belt-sized strips by a leather cutting machine. After that, the edges of the belt are smoothed by an edge polishing machine. After this, proper holes are made by a belt hole punching machine and the buckles are attached with the help of rivets, then stitched or glued if necessary. Finally, dyeing and polishing are done on the belts to get a premium finish. After packaging, the belt is ready for marketing. Selling and marketing strategies. The key to success in this business is not only in the quality of the product but also in how you sell it. Therefore, you should focus mainly on marketing. For this, you can firstly start by offering your products to local retail stores, wholesale markets, fashion boutiques, and corporate gift companies. Apart from this, by listing on e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, and Etsy, you can reach customers in India and abroad. Also, brand building through social media marketing on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube is very important. Finally, provide a good service to the customers for word of mouth promotion. Business expansion opportunities. Friends, as your business grows, you can make it more profitable. You can expand to products like leather wallets, keychains, bags, and shoes instead of just belts. Apart from this, there is also a high demand for customized belts, such as those with names printed on them, logos, or special designs. So, if you go ahead with the right marketing strategy, this business will give you an opportunity to build premium leather brand. After that, whatever production you do will be your profit. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.